Hello guys, your tablet Prestigio Smartkids app, this 16GB RAM memory version and 1GB RAM memory and 16GB Intel memory. Okay, look complementation. In complementation we have protected back cover for display, protected film for display, and this we have adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable. Okay, that's all complementation. Okay, and now talk about tablet made of plastic. On the back side we have camera. On the front side 10-inch display, front camera, speakers, power key and volume keys. IPS display, HD resolution, Android 10 we have. Open Geekbench file, talk about system information. We have CPU ROG chip 3226. This quad-core processor, CPU speed 1.5 GHz. Geekbench 5 doesn't work. Okay. Close this. Open AnTuTu benchmark better. Look AnTuTu benchmark score. AnTuTu benchmark score, okay. And run the money game GTA San Andreas. Look how GTA San Andreas work on the device. On the medium graphic level, game works good. On medium graphic level, we can play. Okay, close this and that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.